Today on Mac's Handy Gadgets, we're going to be answering a question. Can you reheat rice, chicken, and vegetables without drying them out? We're going to find out because we're going to use our Instant Pot and we're going to use the steam function. So let's get started. Okay, so the other night I made chicken, rice, and vegetables, and I had some leftovers. So we're going to see if we can heat these up. We're going to heat it up in our Instant Pot. And right now we're going to just slice off some pieces. Because, got a little bit of a bone there. Put that over here. Anyway, we'll just slice off some nice chunks. And we'll save some to make a sandwich with later. Let's see how this turns out. We'll put it right in here. Just like that. And we'll save this for later. And we're going to put a little bit of rice in there. White rice. It's white long grain rice. I cooked too much, I guess. And we're going to see if we can reheat the rice, chicken, and mixed vegetables without drying them out. That way we can test our Instant Pot steam function. And now all we need is the vegetables. Right? Let's get them. We'll put some carrots in there. There we go. I like carrots. They're good. And we'll put some celery in there too. Let's see how this turns out, because I have my doubts, but maybe it will turn out really good. We'll find out together. And last carrot. And I'll bring you back when we're ready to put it in the pot. Okay, we're back. We're ready to add our food to the Instant Pot here and try to reheat this. So we don't need the lid. So we'll take that off right now. And we're going to be putting our Trivet in. We're going to be using our Trivet. And we'll place our bowl on top of that so it'll be easy to get out. Alright, let's add our 1 cup of water. And then we're going to add our Trivet and our food. Put that right in there. And then we're going to put our lid back on. And now all we have to do is set it. Okay, let's set our Instant Pot to steam. And we're going to go try 4 minutes. Now, let's try 5 minutes. Let's see how that does. Well, we're going to find out together here. Let's hit start. Okay, now it's going to take a little bit of time here, maybe 3 minutes to preheat, then a 5-minute cook time, and it will be under pressure. This Instant Pot Pro Crisp automatically goes into pressure mode when you close the lid with the switches up top and everything. And that's a safety feature, so you never forget that when you are pressure cooking. When you're not pressure cooking, you want to open that button which opens the valve. Okay, I'll bring you back when that starts to cook. Well, it looks like it's preheating. It's almost on its last little indicator there. And I really like that about it. It tells you that it's preheating, so you don't have to guess about it. And when it changes over to cooking, it'll actually show you the time. so that you know how long you have until it's done, and that's pretty good. Some of your older models didn't quite show you that, I don't think. And there it is. Cook time, 5 minutes. Well, let's see if this is, turns out okay, nice and warm and not dried out. There's where some of your microwaves will dry out your food pretty bad. And you know, you won't want dry rice. You want kind of moist but tender rice. And the chicken's not dried out. That'd be good. Alright, I'll bring you back when it's done cooking. Okay, it looks like we have 1 minute left on the clock, approximately. So let's get ready to release the pressure after that. And let's see, I don't know exactly where we're at, but we got 1 minute left or less. So we'll just wait for a couple of seconds here and we'll take a look inside together. And there it is. It is done. Okay, I'll bring you back when I open the lid and give you a peek inside. Yeah. Okay, now we just have to release the pressure. It's got a little switch back here. There goes the steam. And that's good though. Hopefully it steam cooked the chicken, rice, and vegetables in there and reheated them nicely. Well, we're gonna find out pretty soon. As soon as that pin drops, it's safe to open the lid. It just dropped. So now we can open the lid. Okay. It definitely's got steam. The camera might clear up in a couple months. All right. There she is. It looks pretty good. I'll bring that out. And we'll take a look at it together. Okay, it really does look good. Definitely not dried out. Okay, I'm gonna get that off the trivet and I'll bring you right back here. All right, pretty warm. All right, let's check it out and see how good it really is. I'm gonna put a little salt and pepper on that. A little bit of salt. I could put hot spices or anything on on the rice, but I'm just gonna use salt and pepper. Could use a little butter if I wanted to, but let's see. That's wonderful. I can't believe it. I wish you could see that because it's flaky. I mean, they're not stuck together or anything. And that steam that was in that pot cooked that or reheated it perfectly without drying it out. Let me try this carrot and celery. Oh yeah. I'm gonna have to try a piece of chicken. That's absolutely perfect. I cannot believe it. Nothing dried out. And it's hot all the way through. And it's still moist. Like when I first made it a couple days back. So, with that all said, I think it's a winner. a little bowl like this, about a half of a chicken breast, a couple spoons of rice, some vegetables, a cup of water in your Instant Pot, and 5 minutes on steam function. And you're all set. I mean, that's a perfect meal. Well, friends, that's it for this one. More info is in the description. And just remember, if I can do it, you can do it. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.